Lesson 4. Family and School. What do you call your mother's brother? Uncle. Aunt. Cousin. Grandpa.
The right answer is
Uncle. What do we call our father's father? Brother. Grandfather. Teacher. Uncle.
The right answer is
Grandfather. Where do we go to study? Hospital. Market. Park. School.
The right answer is
School. Who teaches us in school? Teacher. Driver. Farmer. Doctor.
The right answer is
Teacher. What do we call our mother's sister? Uncle. Cousin. Aunt. Niece.
The right answer is
Aunt. Where do you sit to study in your classroom? In a chair? On the floor? On the table? At a desk?
The right answer is
At a desk. Who helps us keep the school clean? Librarian. Janitor. Peon. Doctor.
The right answer is
Janitor. Who is in charge of the school? Principal. Doctor. Librarian. Teacher.
The right answer is
Principal. What do we call our father's brother? Nephew. Aunt. Uncle. Cousin.
The right answer is
Uncle. Where Where do you go to play in school? Classroom. Playground. Principal's office. Library.
The right answer is
Playground. What is the role of a teacher? To repair things. To sell books. To teach students. To cook food.
the right answer is
To teach students. What does your family do together? Play. Study. Eat meals. All of these.
the right answer is
All of these. Who helps you do your homework? Friends. Teacher. Parents. Neighbor.
the right answer is
Parents. What do we learn in school? All of these. How to read. How to count. How to play.
the right answer is
All of these. What is the name of the place where we borrow books in school? Playground. Library. Classroom. Principal's office.
the right answer is
Library.